I'm going to show you how to make the easiest pumpkin pie, and it tastes so good. You can almost call it homemade pumpkin pie because you're actually making it at home. It tastes so much better than just the already made store-bought. It's this Libby's Easy Pumpkin Pie Mix. Let me show you how easy it is. Okay, so this one can makes one 9-inch pie. All you literally do is add eggs and the evaporated milk. Let me show you the directions. The can, which we have here, 2 large eggs that are beaten, 1 unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell, and right here, 2/3 cup, which is 5 ounces of the carnation evaporated milk, which we have right here. So we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. So here we have the mix. Putting it in the bowl. Make sure you get it all out. Okay, then we get the evaporated milk. Shake well. And I have one of these. This is what I always use. Does anybody else use this? This is what I use.
Ooh. What's that?
This is evaporated milk.
Can I help?
Yeah, you can definitely help. Go ahead, pour it in. Good job. Just make sure. Oh. Hey, this is real life video. That's okay. Thank you. Okay, and you also need 2 large eggs. We have our frozen 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Okay, so go ahead and crack the egg.
Didn't do anything.
Do it harder. Very good. Here's the other one. Very good. Go ahead. Very good. So that's our 2 eggs, and we're going to go ahead and beat them. Okay, so what you do is, what I do is I just put the fork in the middle.
Oh,
you see? And then I just start kind of mixing it like this. And you could use a whisk or a fork. So yeah, we don't have a mixer handy, so a whisk or a fork works just fine. Go ahead, you want to do it?
Uh-huh.
You do it really fast. Good job. Okay, so once you have the 2 eggs beaten really well, pour it in. And then mix it all together. Again, in here's the 2 beaten eggs, the evaporated milk, and then the entire can of the pumpkin mix. And we are going to get this all mixed, and we're going to put it in our 9-inch deep dish pie shell. It does.
Smells really good.
It does. And also, in the meantime, we should be heating the oven to 425 degrees. So you see the oven is heating. It's almost at 425. Okay, so we have everything mixed. It always seems like there's a little bit extra. You pour that all in. I usually don't have to scrape the sides because, again, there's always just a little bit extra, you see? So look, that's actually a perfect amount. You don't want to get it too full. That is a perfect amount, so we're going to put it in the oven. All right, so I just put it in. I put it on a baking sheet with a little bit of foil in there. And what you're going to do is you're going to cook this at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. After that, then you're going to reduce the temperature to 350, and then you're going to bake it for about 50 to 60 minutes. So we'll be back in 15. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes, so all I'm going to do is reduce the temperature to 350. and cook it for about 50 to 60 minutes, but I'm definitely going to check on it because all ovens are different. I've had it to where I've had to do more than 60 minutes in some ovens, and then others it was right at that 50-minute mark. So definitely make sure you check it with your... Okay, so we are at about 45 minutes and I'm just checking on it, and I can tell it's not done yet because do you see that little circle in the middle? Still pretty soupy right there. You see right in there. So we're going to check it in about another 7 minutes. Okay, it is done. You can see it is nice and golden brown around the edges. Not soupy in the middle anymore. It cooked about a total of 60 minutes at that 350 degree temperature. And then as you know at the beginning, we did the 425 degrees at 15 minutes. So that is how you cook the easiest, best tasting, quote unquote, homemade pumpkin pie. So do you use Cool Whip or whipped cream with your pumpkin pie? Make sure you post that in the comments below, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.